You won't believe the frustration that a badly run conference call can bring to even the most harmonious of team collaborations. Imagine you're in the middle of an intense discussion, and suddenly your screen freezes, or the audio lagging by a whole second leaves you feeling like you're drowning in a sea of disconnection. This is more than a minor annoyance. It's a significant productivity killer that can derail meeting after meeting, week after week. Meetings are crucial for team success, where different perspectives, expertise, and experiences come together to produce groundbreaking decisions, innovative solutions, and unparalleled progress. Yet, many of us can vividly recall at least a few unforgettable encounters with conference call disasters, which usually come down to poor connectivity, laggy displays, and incompatible devices causing a domino effect of errors. But what if you could eradicate those pitfalls, ensuring seamless connectivity and crystal clear communication within your meetings, no matter where your participants are? The stakes are set, and the answer is here: the Barco ClickShare CX-30 wireless conferencing system. This cutting-edge device is specifically designed for medium-sized meeting rooms, aiming to make remote collaboration a piece of cake by providing a robust, intuitive, and feature-rich solution that takes care of all your multimedia, connectivity, and moderation needs in one sleek, space-saving package. The moment I unboxed the CX-30, I knew I was in for a treat. The premium aluminum construction is sturdy and feels reassuringly solid in the hand. While aesthetics often take a back seat in technical products, the sleek, minimalist design of this device does more than its job. It sets the tone for professionalism, reliability, and ease of use. The intuitive interface on the accompanying wand, which controls everything, is as seamless as one would want. Not a single button seems redundant or out of place. With the CX-30, I dove into a world of interactive meetings where full interactivity and moderation rule the game. Its BYOD support means that connecting various devices is a breeze. The wand's touch functionality opens up possibilities that used to be exclusive to expensive professional conferencing gear. You can now seamlessly moderate sessions, annotate presentations in real time, and create interactive polls with native apps, all while minimizing user fatigue. Another area where the CX-30 truly shines is its BYOD capabilities. For anyone struggling with various device types, screen sizes, or operating systems within their team, the Barco CX-30's comprehensive support, covering Apple, Android, Windows, and Mac OS, is a resounding blessing. This device not only understands the imperative of flexibility, but truly delivers, connecting various platforms to create a seamless participant experience that will leave even the most technophobic individuals nodding in approval. In everyday usage, the device consistently demonstrated commendable performance metrics. For wireless connectivity, data transfer speed via the wand stood at a brisk 60 to 80 megabits per second, ideal for most multimedia purposes. Over a prolonged period, I found the battery life of the wand lasted 5 to 6 hours without any power cuts or signs of battery degradation, while keeping screen sharing active. That kind of efficiency, given the demands of medium to large team meetings, speaks to the device's impressive reliability. During our testing phase, I vividly remember a particularly chaotic meeting where our team was collaborating on a new project from distant locations. When one participant had a particularly critical thought to share but was running low on battery, it was just her good fortune that our CX-30 supported digital whiteboard came to the rescue, enabling her to present and annotate her work seamlessly in real time, even as our other participants were seamlessly adjusting, zooming and rotating, and otherwise augmenting the presentation. We quickly realized how much our productivity soared, thanks in no small part to this digital meeting breakthrough. Gone were those embarrassing disconnections or jarring audio sync issues. This device became our reliable go-to-meeting enabler, effortlessly facilitating remote collaboration and elevating team performances across the board. Now, let's talk about the good and bad of our experience with the Barco ClickShare CX-30 wireless conferencing system. Starting with the positives, the sheer breadth, depth, and intuitive presentation of features, combined with effortless, seamless performance across complex setups, put this device squarely in the game changers category. Two of the major pros stand out to me, and they have significantly impacted our daily work. Firstly, the feature set and comprehensive range of compatible platforms for this device makes setting up meetings simple enough for even the most uninitiated among us. Now, I have to mention a minor quirk I found fairly annoying. When you're using the software version provided for screen sharing but have accidentally left the USB connected on the CX-30 device, the device momentarily freezes up and a reboot is necessary, which might cost a bit of time, but ultimately doesn't detract much from daily operations. Comparing it with the competitors in this space, the ClickShare CX-30 wireless conferencing system undoubtedly stands out by providing an unprecedented level of both form and function, which sets it head and shoulders above the remaining contenders. Among them, several devices often appear cluttered with features, whereas the intuitive design and robust feature set presented by the CX-30 wireless conferencing system provide for seamless ease of use, further enhanced by its support for BYOD devices so that users need never worry about having the correct adapters. Overall, the Barco ClickShare CX-30 wireless conferencing system has left a lasting impression on our meeting workflow with its seamless audio-visual collaboration features that are both a delight to use and a breeze to set up. If your company values smooth meetings that keep the collaboration train on track without the hassle, this piece is undoubtedly a crucial game changer for you. Final verdict. This device has been a total revelation, taking our remote meetings to an entirely new level with its user-friendly, comprehensive nature